AirTalk Wireless is no longer operational. It shut down in 2022. If you were an AirTalk customer, you needed to port your number to a new carrier before then. This section explains the general process of porting a number from a defunct carrier, using AirTalk as an example. Porting means transferring your existing phone number to a new provider. First, contact your new carrier, for example, Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. They will initiate the porting process. You'll need your AirTalk account number and transfer PIN. If you don't have these, alternate verification methods may be required. Here's how the porting process routes calls to your transferred number. Your AirTalk account number was located on bills or within the AirTalk app. The transfer PIN was a 4 to 6 digit code you set for security. If you didn't get these before the shutdown, contact your new carrier immediately to explore alternative verification, such as providing proof of purchase or archived billing statements. The FCC intervened to help users port after AirTalk's closure. If you face issues, contact the FCC or your new carrier. Remember, porting is a right, and carriers are obligated to help you keep your number, even from a defunct provider.